Hello guys, this is Korea Cute Guy. In this video, I'm going to introduce Qt, which is my favorite. Only 8 minutes, you can understand what Qt is. Before I start, these words used to be pronounced as Qt or Qt. Whatever you pronounce this word, it doesn't matter for using it. But developers of Qt framework, they used to read it as Qt. So from now on, I'm also going to read this word as Qt in my channel. To explain Qt, there are two keywords, GUI and cross-platform. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. GUI is some kind of graphical forms which are very familiar in your digital devices. If you imagine your smartphone or computer, then you can easily find some buttons, scrolls, windows, and so on. All of those digital elements are GUI. Of course, there are some kinds of interfaces that only consist of characters, not graphics, so we call them TUI or CUI. When you enter a programming field, you can usually meet Hello World as your first programming output. The output is CUI in the console. After the fundamental programming experience, you can meet some tools which can create GUIs, such as Visual Basic from Microsoft. So you are currently watching the basic GUI development environment. This is a very classic environment and also very typical as software field. However, latest services which are aimed at the mass market focuses the software design. Especially, the emotions is an essential keyword at the IT industry nowadays. So, this classic user interface is not attractive. Most of today's people prefer more touching and sophisticated GUIs. Qt is specialized in the GUI development, including the classic GUI development. Qt has their own language to implement the GUIs. It's called QML. Through using QML, developers can make their GUIs more dynamically. I entered the Qt because of QML's great capacity. Through the QML, I was so free to create various types of GUIs. You are watching the QML source code right now. QML consists of its own intuitive structures and JavaScript syntax. So most of simple softwares can be developed by QML and JavaScript at the front end. Then, how can we deal with the complicated softwares in Qt? The answer is backend, as you expected. Backend can be written by C++ or Python. So you can erase your QML software's limit by using the expandability of C++ or Python. Here's an overview of Qt. Another keyword to explain Qt is cross-platform. Cross-platform means your software can work on multiple operating systems or devices. As of May 2020, we are going to see what platforms Qt supports. First, we can see the desktop platform. You can also think these platforms as your desktop development environment. I can see there is Linux, especially Ubuntu 18.04. It means that Qt 5.15 doesn't officially support for older versions of 18.04. If you want to use Qt in the older versions, such as Ubuntu 12.04 or 13.04, which are popular before, then Qt's old versions will help you. This is not only Ubuntu's case, but also it works at the other platforms. In Mac's case, the latest version of Qt works as of High Sierra. In Windows, the minimum OS requirement is Windows 7. The next platform is mobile platforms. So the case of Android, the latest version of Qt supports as of Lollipop. In iOS, the minimum OS requirement is iOS 12. Okay, let's move on to the next platform. You can see UWP and WebAssembly. Actually, they have some potential problems. First, USB application doesn't show the satisfactory performance compared with Win32 application. Second, WebAssembly is not exactly a mobile platform technology. Rather, it is a web development technology. It has a huge potential because of its portability and functionality, but it is not stable because it is still under development. So, I do not recommend using Qt on these platforms right now. Of course, you can practice them, but they are not suitable as your products yet. Next one is an embedded platform. This platform is the most sought after in the industry. However, this is difficult to test your Qt application. If you are a beginner who want to practice Qt on embedded platforms, then you should find some test boards first. In that case, I'd like to recommend using a Raspberry Pi. It's cheap and easy to buy and well documented. I'm also going to use a Raspberry Pi for my coming contents about Qt embedded platform. At this point, I want to organize the keyword cross-platform. In the Qt, if you write down source codes, then your source codes will be deployed on the various platforms which we have looked around. That is the Qt's feature and strengths. Alright, you can just remember Qt with these keywords, GUI and cross-platform. That's all I want to talk about in this video. Of course, there are the other elements which can explain Qt's feature. But I'm sure that the essential parts about Qt should be GUI and cross-platform. From this moment, I will start making videos about programming contents focusing on Qt. My videos can be some courses you can refer, or something new in Qt, or something new with Qt. So if you are interested in Qt, please subscribe my channel, or your comments are very welcome. So guys, thank you for watching.